SLOT Academy is owned by Engineer Nnamdi Ezigbo, the CEO of SLOT System Limited.
I am a student of SLOT Academy. In SLOT Academy, we learn how to repair phones and laptops. Personally, I am learning how to repair laptop, as you can see here. In SLOT Academy, we have a very good conducive environment, which is very important to impact knowledge into all the trainees.
Can any of us tell us two major operating systems we have currently?
Android operating system and iPhone operating system.
iOS. Yes, that's correct. It's correct.
This is hard disk drive. This is solid state drive. The two types of hard drive: solid state drive, hard disk drive.
I'm proud of being a student of SLOT Academy. In SLOT Academy, I've learned a topic called the mobile operating system. The mobile operating system is a system software that functions with the Google and help the hardware and software work so easily.
The way you open iPhone 6s is not the way you open iPhone 8. Like if you want to open iPhone 6x, you have to lose it upwards. But if you want to open the screen of iPhone 8, you open it by your right side.
In SLOT Academy, our teachers teach us how to manage our customers, repair phones, and also identify phones that are under care or ones that are not fully paid for.
For every iPhone, you want to disassemble it first, the base screws, and you do that with your what? Which tool? Which tool do you use for that? Pentalobe tool. That's what you use to take off these two base tools.
The tool we'll be using today, we call it 3U tools. This is a software or a tool that you can also use to check your iPhones. It's generally on all iPhones. That's original Apple products, maybe self-manufactured or manufactured by Apple. This jailbroken means if you want to run a critical software on an iPhone, there are some tools that will permit you to jailbreak the phone. You understand? Without a phone being jailbroken on an iPhone, you won't be able to run a critical software on the phone.
When you think of learning a skill in mobile and laptop engineering, think of SLOT. We have conducive environments, we have qualified teachers, we learn with modern facilities, we have security, we certify our trainees at the end of the program.
This could be you in 4 months' time, a certified phone and laptop technician. Join SLOT Academy today.